Hi. Do you know it's very easy for us to say we want to homeschool? I know some of you will be shouting, what do you mean by it's very easy? One of the easiest things to do during homeschooling is very simple thing, trying to find the attention of your child. Today we are dealing on mathematics, and it's been wonderful trying to get the attention of the young man who you can see that is already behind me and video bombing. So what did I do? I've tried every possible things, even to the extent of using my phone for him to do the calculations, yet he has meticulously found his ways to run away, sit down, and the rest of them. Even using Alexa to ask for questions, to ask the questions that he has in his book. That is to show you how sophisticated our children are. And due to the changings in things around them, which most of them find it very difficult to adhere to, you need to find a way to go around and be in their shoes. How can you be in their shoes? In homeschooling, you need to work in a time for excessive play. If you have 20 minutes for them to do a work like mathematics, you need to add another 20 minutes on top of it. I know many of you will say that it is too long to do 40 minutes or 30 minutes, but then realize that your child has an attention span. So if you go on break every 10 minutes, or possibly every 5 minutes for the under 6 or under 7, you might be able to get their attention. Also, you have to find a way to bring in color, to bring in plays into the mathematics, into the English, into whatever you're teaching them. Because to get the attention, you need to be. Now we have a lot of things dragging our attentions out as adults. To get the attention of the children, you have to also find something to drag down their own attention. So if you use songs, if you use finger counting, if you use drawings, if you use a lot of things to be able to find them, to get the attention, to be able to make them to stay and listen to you and do what you want them to do. But my advice is this: don't get tired of doing. It's not an easy thing to homeschool, but this is the reality on ground now. Don't get tired of talking. Don't get tired of trying. Don't get tired. Don't get tired. They will make you get tired, but don't get tired. It's my own. Definitely they'll make you to get tired. Like you can see me now, I'm so tired and I'm adorning a beautiful hairstyle to be able to keep his attention. And a few minutes ago, you saw what he did to my hair. And you see what he's still doing at my back. This is our break time, so we got to utilize the break time to play. And it's a time for you to really play with your child, even if they are seriously busy in their homeworks or schoolworks or homeschooling works. Get to understand your child, get to learn your child, get to learn what ticks them off and what ticks them in. Utilize every opportunity you have to make sure that you use natural things, you use things that they see every day to work mathematics. It works like magic. Yeah, he's fine. He's fine. Don't worry. He's fine. Now, it's important also that you enjoy every bit of it, because when children see that you're not enjoying, that you're becoming exasperated, you're becoming frustrated, they will add that frustration times 200. This is children, because they listen to you, they see you, they look at you, they know your fears, they know when you say sit down and you sit down. They know when to play when you tell them to sit down, because they know you are getting tired. They know he's fine, I can see him from here. They know you are getting tired. They know you're getting worked up. They know you're being mad. They know you're being angry. So if you show off that, they will definitely make you, drive you crazy. But if you run with it, find ways to counter that by playing along. Play. he's all right. Play until they get the actual thing you're trying to convey. Teaching children is sweet, it's lovely, but understanding your child is more important. To every teacher who has been taking out this heat from every parent, listen, we can't thank you enough. I know so many will say you're trained to do that, but definitely parents are also trained naturally, the ones who want to be trained to handle their children. But you guys are doing a marvelous job. You guys are taking away the sweat, taking away the whole stress. Now we understand what teachers go through. So next time you go for teachers meeting, I want you to understand how frustrated a teacher can be and how frustrated you've been. Also, I want you to understand that despite the fact that not everyone can take all this, some teachers go the extra mile to make sure that children are fine. To that teacher who has worked their magic in the children to get them to understand simple things, to get them to be well in school, to get them to sit down, concentrate, I thank you. To also that teacher who doesn't give a damn, all you want is just your money. Do your job daily, it doesn't concern you, because I've had experience of that. I've had experience of where a teacher is telling a student, discouraging a student from a secondary school student from progressing. It sounds alarming, but we've had it all. But what I'm trying to say here is to every teacher who has been there for the children put in their hands, every teacher who has tried everything possible to make sure that their children have positive outlook into life, into schooling, into studies, you are the reason why we are happy. I say thank you because you've done a great job. We can see your handwork even now that we're on compulsory holiday. We can see your handwork. And we appreciate you. We appreciate you so much. So this is Loveday, and I'm coming from Loveday TV saying thank you very much once again. And remember, if you're teaching your child, you need to come down to their level. You need to enjoy what you're teaching them so that they can be able to also enjoy you. If they don't enjoy you, they won't enjoy what they're doing. So till next time I come your way, please like, subscribe, and
please subscribe to my dad.
Yes, subscribe to our channel, baby. And what do you want to say? Oh, he says thank you. He says goodbye. So next time we are coming very high, live, and enjoy every aspect of this video. Yeah, thank you for commenting on my new adornment. Thank you for commenting on my new adornment. This is what lockdown happens, and I'll show you 30 reasons why you need to be locked down to my channel. Oh, he has a channel too, so subscribe to his channel, okay? Leave your comment down. Tell me if this new look is nice. All right, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.